Hey y'all! We are here at the tiny market. This is in Old Town Trail in Villarica. This is just almost the boundary of the city where I live. So this is like 3 miles, I guess, from the house. So this is what you're going to see at the entrance by the road. So that's their mini store.
Welcome to the Tiny Market. We're located at 516 Old Town Trail, Villarica. We've got jams, we have local honey, we have veggie plants, we've got fresh produce. Y'all come out and see us.
Look at her petunias. They are loving its life. So healthy and plenty of blooms. Let's come inside and check what's in the store. Oh, that is just really pretty. Let's support local. Thank you for watching. Till next video. Bye.